In a coastal town, a faded mural hid a governor's forgotten pledge to rebuild after floods. A young archivist traced the mural's symbols to a sealed ledger buried beneath the town hall floor. When opened, the ledger revealed a promise never kept, ink drying into names that vanished from public records. Residents learned the flood memory survived only in color, not in the official minutes, until the mural spoke again. A quiet ceremony restored the pledge, and the mural became a living archive reminding history lives beyond ink for all.